Hi internet world. Okay, so sorry for being a little MIA. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a hasty video. I got a lot to explain later on, but not now. Just because I get a lot of questions on my hair, especially on Instagram and other social media, not so much on YouTube. Hair dye in my hand. But I'm going to be doing my hair today. What I do use on my roots is the Igor, wrong one. Is the Igor Royal 777 hair dye, and I mix that with a 30 volume, and I put this on my roots. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. Y'all have seen other people apply hair dye to their roots before. It's nothing special I do. What I do on my ends is that I mix conditioner into a little tub like this, and I use a demi, again the Igor line. This is the Igor Vibrant in the shade 777, so it corresponds to my hair color, and that's what I do on my ends. And I do that in the shower because it's a conditioner with color. I leave it in my hair for like 20 minutes while I'm doing the rest of whatever it is I'm doing in my shower. So I'm going to show you quickly how to do the mixture of whatever demi hair color you have with conditioner to be able to enhance your ends. Once your hair, all of your hair obviously is at the color that you need. You can't just do this on top of black hair and come out with whatever color you're looking for. I'm gonna be using this because I'm a ginger, so for ginger hair color to enhance, and then I'll show you an after my hair is done, dried, and everything. So yeah, anyway, let's get started. Okay, so this is the result here after it's been styled and